Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday.
Hi Manju, you're the cutest husband on this planet. You're the best husband. You're so, I don't know how to explain. I don't know how to say it in words. The most loving man ever met. The most compassionate, the most understanding person that I know. Through thick, through thin, through everything, you're always just there holding on to me, giving me the courage to run my business, to be who I am, what I want to be, allowing me that leash or choot, and that I know that you're there always. That's so important for me. And having that courage to play it all, in a business it's always scary because the repercussions can come out of the family, how entrepreneurs and the whole ecosystem is. But you've always said ki kya leke aaye hai, kuch nahi leke aaye, play it big, and that really gives me that strength to go all out. And not only that, but to balance out even in my relationships, in ego, in so many ways I can talk to you like I can't express to anyone else. And I just have to begin, and I know that you get what I'm getting at and you know how to help me think it, how to reframe all your and that really gives me that strength to go all out. And not only that, but to balance out even in my relationships, in ego, in so many ways I can talk to you like I can't express to anyone else. And I just have to begin, and I know that you get what I'm getting at and you know how to help me think it, how to reframe all your cliched reframe, and all the knowledge that you've taught me has helped me every day in and out and made me a more happier person every day. Thank you for being, can't say husband, can't say guru, you're a hybrid. Thank you for everything that you are. Love you. You make life a dance for me. You make life full of inner joy for me. You make life a masti for me. If it wasn't for you, life wouldn't be so much delicious like you are. Thanks. Happy birthday, Nanu.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to Papa. Happy birthday to you. I love you, Papa. You're my angel, Papa. You are so amazing and awesome. I love you. You're a monkey. You have made two schools for me. You are so crazy. You've done so much for me that I can't imagine. You are a monkey, my heart. You're a monkey, donkey, tiger.
Happy birthday to you, Manjo. There are no words from my side to express what I feel about you and who you are. You're the most, at least in my world, maybe everywhere it exists, but in my world, you're the most giving, caring, selfless, honest, loving, compassionate human being. Really walks your talk. And really, truly a soul seeking for something greater than this mundane life that we all live. So blessed you are part of my life. I feel honored to be your sister, and I take that tag and I roam around in Canada ki I am Manjo's sister. So thoda mujhe, I get a little bit of that backfall also. Thank you for being in my life. Thank you.
Hi Manjo, wish you very happy birthday. I don't want to make the video too long, so I don't want to sing all those Hindi songs, Hum Bhi Agar and all the other Hindi songs. So love you loads, bro. Really love the way how you're teaching and how you taken up the calls for SSY. And too many things to say. I want to keep the video short. So love you loads and lot of big hugs, kisses, and keep rocking. Cheers and have a great day.
Many happy returns of the day to you, Manoj जी. आप तो है ना वर्ल्ड गुरु हो, ओके, सो इसलिए आई एम ट्राइंग टू विश यू इन डिफरेंट लैंग्वेजेस ऑफ द वर्ल्ड. केस कौन सा लँग्वेज आहे देखते हैं, आपको पता चलता है क्या? ओके, सो वाढदिवसाच्या तुम्हाला हार्दिक शुभेच्छा मनोजजी. बोर्न एनिवर्सरी. Zunge bustar fil glue. Salamat ulang tahim. Feliz cumpleaños. Happy birthday to you, Manojji. Thank you for everything. Thank you.
Happy birthday, Manojji. You are one of the idols for me who has been really consistent. Whatever you take up, you are onto it. You say what you believe in and you keep doing. That's the great quality of yours. And I really wish you 1,000 years of your birthdays. Jai Gurudev.
सारी शुभकामनाएं मनोज जी. आप ऐसे हजारों वर्ष जियो हजारों साल. ये मेरी है आरज़ू. हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू.
थैंक यू. हेलो मनोज जी, हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू. जियो ऐसे गुरु कहीं मिलेंगे नहीं. वेरी हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू. और हेल्दी रहो, एनर्जी में रहो और आपकी मनोकामना सब पूरी होए मैं चाहता हूँ. और मीना माँ के साथ रहो. वेरी गुड. थैंक यू. हैव ए नाइस डे. सेलिब्रेशन करो. मैं सेलिब्रेशन कर रहा हूँ उत्तरायण की. ओके, मैं उमर में हूँ. थैंक यू.
Hi Manojji, wish you a very happy birthday and many happy returns of the day. On your birthday today, I am again attending MOG, very beautifully conducted by Chirag in our office. Thank you very much Manojji for being a true guru, for all your teachings, for all your guidance, for all your hand-holding, for all your support at all times to me and my family all the time. I love you very much and I look forward to meeting you very soon. Wishing you a very happy birthday once again. Hope you enjoyed the lunch sent by Stuti. Bye. Thank you.
A very happy birthday Manoj ji. Love you. Love your untiring sadhana. You have transformed my life 180 degrees. You lead us from asatya to satya, from darkness to light, from death to immortality, from ashanti to peace and harmony, from sickness to health, from scarcity to abundance, from hatred to love, from ego to humility, and from bondage to freedom. You are a blessing to mankind. May God and Guruji always shower your blessings Their blessings on you. Love you. A very happy birthday once again, Manoj ji.
Wish you very, very happy birthday, Manojji. I don't have words to say. You know how much you mean to me, and I'm so happy that I've got you as my part of my life, and how well you have groomed me, even though, at this age, there's so much to learn, so much to learn, so much to learn. I really have no words to say, because I'm just blessed to have you in my life, just blessed to have you in my life. So thank you very much for being a part of my life, my family, giving us so much vast knowledge, and in such a easy way, in such a simpler language that we all can understand. Thank you so much to always hear us out whenever we are, when we come back to our human nature. So thank you so much. Wish you a very happy birthday. Love you a lot. Thank you.
Happy birthday, Manju. You're the most beautiful person on this earth. At the same time, you behave like an adult, being our mentor, teaching us to live so happily together, rich, and at the same time, you teach us to be like a child. Just be with yourself, with everybody, playing games, creating fun around you, creating fun for everybody. I love you the most. Wish you a very happy birthday.
Hey Manjo, happy birthday. You're such an inspiration for us, always guiding us in every way, in health, wealth, and happy relationships. Your consistency is always looking forward for me. Always being so consistent gives me so much energy. And it's been more than 10 years. Every day I listen to your affirmations, which give me a booster of the day. I love you so much. Happy birthday, Manju.
Jai Gurudev. Manoj ji, happy birthday. Many happy returns of the day. आपके बारे में कहूँ उतना कम है. You are a great dedicated soul, wonderful friend, great philosopher, and you are doing your best in spreading this Guruji's wisdom, SSY and its application form. Amazing work, amazing dedication. Hats off to you all. तुम पुरुष नहीं हो, महापुरुष हो. Great. Happy birthday. Many happy returns of the day. Jai Gurudev. God bless you all.
Many happy returns of the day, Manjo. Happy birthday to you. I really admire and wonder and appreciate the quality which you have of consistent follow-up. It's not about only consistency, but the way you do so patiently. You have a lot of patience, and you do it lovingly also. Like people like me, who say no, but still whenever you meet, you will say, do send Liya 1 minute SMS, and then see the video. You can keep your video off, but then log into DYL. So lovingly you do the follow-up. And also, like every year you go for Padayatra, you take out 7 days and then you go for Padayatra, be with your own self. This is really an inspiration for me. I'm like, wow, every year, making sure going for Padayatra. Also, people give me this feedback that you are so many times that you're a great trainer. So skills, I can say skills is something which is like I have learned from you. You may have been always my mentor in so many things, and one of the thing is like the skills training, which very small things आपने सिखाया, like how to hold mic, and then how to bring participants in the moment, how to create energy. that time I used to feel kitne simple topics say, but then all those topics are so relevant, so important. It was like first I got trained, and then you pushed me to take these trainings to for so many people, and then that is how it naturally got imbibed in me. There are so many things to talk about you. Thank you so much for being my mentor. Thank you so much for this giving nature and unconditional love for everyone. Have a blast on your birthday. Once again, happy birthday to you.
हैप्पी बर्थडे गुरु जी, आपके साथ में हम जुड़े हैं। एक हमारे लिए एक लाइव गुरु जो है ही है, और हमारा हर बात में मार्गदर्शन करने के लिए। एंड हमारा लाइफ बहुत ही अच्छा और बहुत सुंदर हो गया आपके साथ में रहते हैं। रियली यदि आप बात भी करेंगे, हमको फ़ोन करेंगे तो हमको एनर्जी मिलती है, और रोज़ स्क्रीन में देखती हैं तो और हम अपने आप में बहुत एनर्जेटिक होते हैं। तो इस शुभ दिन में आपको मन से आपको हैप्पी बर्थडे, बहुत अच्छा हेल्दी हैप्पी लाइफ जी सबके लिए जो आप कर रहे हैं ऐसे कंटिन्यू करते रहिए। जय थैंक यू।
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to Manoj ji. Happy birthday to you. Manoj ji, one thing I like to appreciate about you. I salute you. Morning you get up at 4:30, quarter to 5 a.m. You send videos, send your Leah messages. You go up to throughout the day up to 10:30, 11 p.m. You are in DWILE series or something or the other programs and all. I admire your energy level. The benefit what I have got from you is how to forgive people. Law of forgiveness. I must have read that book a couple of times. I don't recollect how many times. How to be in gratitude 24/7. Leah messages. Wow. Lovely. Thank you. It has transformed my life. I have grown internally as well as externally. I really salute you and thank you for everything what you have given me, and I love your company. And whenever I come to Scope Camp, my energy level goes up high in the air, and I enjoy each and every second, each and every moment to be with you. I salute you once again. God bless you. Thank you so much. Wish you many happy returns of the day. Thank you.
शुभजन्मदिनं तुभ्यं शुभजन्मदिनं तुभ्यं शुभजन्मदिने तव सकलं मधुरं भूयात् शुभजन्मदिनं तुभ्यं शुभजन्मदिनं तुभ्यं शुभजन्मदिने तव सकलं सफलं भूयात् सकलं च शुभं भूयात्।
Happy birthday to you, Manjo. Wishing you in Sanskrit. Enjoy. Have a great birthday. Happy birthday to you. Love you very much. Fantastic time. We've had always been something wonderful. Life is great just because of you.
Dear Manoj ji, wish you many happy returns of the day. You are very pure soul with kind heart, and you are true disciple of Guruji. You always lead, the path which Guruji has shown to us. That is wonderful thing about you, and you give equally love to each and every being. So I'm very fortunate to have you in my life. Enjoy your day and keep blessing us with your knowledge and actions. So thank you.
हैप्पी बर्थडे मनोज जी थोड़ा डिफ़िकल्ट है कि अगर आपकी क्वालिटी की बात करें और थोड़े वर्ड्स में बोलना मुश्किल है, क्योंकि उसके लिए वर्ड्स नहीं है कुछ भी। लेकिन अगर एक मैं बोलूँ तो एक पेरेंट और चाइल्ड का जो रिलेशन होता है उसका मीनिंग जो है आपके साथ रह के समझ में आया है। जिस तरीके से आप एक समान भाव से, एक नज़र से जो सबको देखते हैं आप, सेम केयर, सेम नेचर, जो लव है, अनकंडीशनल लव जो देते हैं आप, वो उसका कोई वर्ड्स नहीं है कि मैं ऐसे बोल के बता दूं आपको। और आप, एक चीज़ मैंने आपके साथ इतने सालों से रह के समझा है कि बिना बोले वो चीज़ को समझ जाना, मतलब मेरे लिए बहुत टाइम ऐसा सरप्राइज हुआ है कि मैं कुछ बोलना चाहता हूँ और आप पहले ही समझ जाते हैं। बहुत बार ऐसा हुआ है, और उस चीज़ के बारे में फिर बाद में मैं बोलता हूँ, देखो ना मैंने सोचा और मनोज जी ने ऐसा आगे से ही पूछ दिया क्या बोलना है, कुछ कहना है, कुछ है क्या, और ऐसा हुआ था। मतलब सडनली बोलते हैं ना तो एकदम वो हो जाता है। तो वही बोलते हैं ना कि आपका जो केयर है, जो आप हमारे प्रति जो सोच है, जिस तरीके से आप वो करते हैं, इसकी वजह से वो सब कुछ आपको पता चल जाता है। हमारे फेस पे तो दिख जाता होगा आपको, लेकिन वो बोलते हैं ना कि जब वो लगाव होता है, जो प्यार होता है, तो ही ये सब चीज़ें हम समझ पाते हैं। जैसे एक बच्चे के फेस के साथ क्या हो रहा है, उसके उनके पेरेंट को पता चलता है, तो उस तरीके से आप हमारे साथ क्या हो रहा है, हम क्या कर रहे हैं, कौन से चैलेंज से गुजर रहे हैं, वो सब कुछ आपको पता रहता है। तो वो मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगता है जिस तरीके से आप बच्चे की तरह एक केयर करते हैं। कभी भी मुझे ऐसा फीलिंग नहीं आया कि मतलब आपके साथ हूँ और बॉस काम करना है, ऐसा आपके लिए तो कभी टाइम का कभी कुछ ख्याल नहीं, हम सोचते नहीं है कभी कुछ नहीं, बस आपने बोला तो होना चाहिए। तो वो भावना आना आपके प्रति, ये ऐसा इतना सडनली आसानी से नहीं आता है, क्योंकि वो सब आपके ऊपर डिपेंड करता है। तो आपकी वैसा केयर, वैसा आप वैसे हो, इसकी वजह से हमारा जो नेचर है आपके प्रति ऐसा चेंज हुआ है। तो थैंक यू सो मच, आपका प्यार हमारे ऊपर ऐसे ही बना रहे। हैप्पी बर्थडे, बाय।
हेलो मनोज जी, many happy returns of the day. Manoj ji, I really admire, I have seen, you are one of the most dynamic and most inspirational person I have ever seen. The way you manage so many projects effortlessly and always maintaining your cool and calm, taking care of so many people, including so many people, never giving up on anybody, and always being very humble, at the same time firm. So it's a real admiration, and thank you for being a part of our life.
मुझे आप सबको जैसे इंक्लूड करके लेके चलते हो और सबको गाइड करते हो, वो क्वालिटी बहुत अच्छी लगती है। विश यू मेनी हैप्पी रिटर्न्स ऑफ द डे, लव यू।
विश यू मेनी हैप्पी रिटर्न्स ऑफ द डे, हैप्पी बर्थडे मनोज जी। मनोज जी, आप तो हमारे गुरु हैं, और गुरु ने जो कुछ सिखाया है तो वो बहुत ही अच्छी चीज़, हर छोटी छोटी चीज़ आपके पास से आपने सिखाई है। तो वंस अगेन हैप्पी बर्थडे, हैप्पी बर्थडे, हैप्पी बर्थडे मनोज जी। थैंक यू, जय गुरुदेव।
Wish you a very happy birthday, Manoj-ji. Love you so much. Words are always less to share for you. I just say you are everything for me. You are so caring, lovable. You so much care for everyone. You think about everyone always. You are like a Guruji. Thank you so much. I am blessed. I am there in your life. Thank you. Love you once again. Happy birthday once again. Thank you so much.
Dearest Manoj ji, wishing you many happy returns of the day. Thank you for being a part of my life. Thank you for everything you had given me. आपके अंदर बहुत सारी ग्रेट क्वालिटीज़ हैं, बहुत सारे लोगों ने बहुत कुछ बताया होगा। मैं एक चीज़ ऐड करना चाहूँगा, यू मेक थिंग्स सिंपल। आप सिंपल तरीके से ज़िंदगी जीते भी हो और बहुत सारी चीज़ों को सिंपल बना भी देते हो। ये इतने सारे जो जॉय शॉप्स आपने डिज़ाइन किए हैं, उसकी ताकत क्या है, उसकी स्ट्रेंथ क्या है? उसकी स्ट्रेंथ एक ही है कि आपने हर एक चीज़ों को सिंपल बनाया है। जॉय शॉप मतलब 10 साल का बच्चा भी उसको समझ लेता है। सो ये बिगेस्ट गिफ्ट आपने मुझे और वो लाखों लोगों को दी है। सो फॉर दैट थैंक यू सो मच, एंड हैव अ वंडरफुल लाइफ अहेड। Thank you. Lots of love.
Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Happy birthday, Manoj ji. Wish you many, many happy returns of the day. Well, Manoj ji, I can, really share so much about you because, you have given, you yourself are the biggest gift to me, to Kavita, to all of us, whoever are in touch with you. And I always share that, you're the one person who has lived every word, whatever Guruji has said, you have lived by it, every single word of it. And you're an epitome of surrenderfulness. There is no doubt about it. And most definitely, like I always share, is that, I have really seen that, you have really understood what Guruji has given. You have simplified it even further and given it to the world. Really feel so blessed. And truly speaking, how you have made all of us so busy with the Design Your Life platform. We are busy, but happily busy and enjoying it also at the same time. And the way you delegate responsibility is so beautiful. It really feels really empowering. And I really feel myself, growing to the next level. And of course, the amount of faith that you have on the team, you are like so meticulous in all your activities, whatever you do. And Design Your Life truly, especially the online after the lockdown, that you have created, and it has started, and you've inspired all of us. So many of us have come together as a team. So many of us, behind the scenes, so many of us in front of the camera. All of us, you have brought all the entire team together. We feel like one family under your presence, under your guidance. And thank you so much. How much ever I say thank you will not be enough, but yet I would like to say thank you, thank you, thank you for playing the role of a guide, for playing the role of a friend, playing the role of a guru in my life, and always helping me to grow, helping me go beyond my boundaries. Thank you so much for all this. And your compassionate follow-up is like, my God, it's so amazing. It's so amazing. And really, I want to share, maybe I have shared with you earlier also, and today also I would, love to share with you that, whatever guidance and whatever instructions and whatever delegation and the responsibility that you hand over, truly I feel like doing it. I don't feel it as a burden or मुझे करना पड़ेगा, ऐसा feeling नहीं आता है. It's because of your compassionate follow-up, the love and the responsibility, the higher responsibility that you have taken up, that really gives the strength, it gives the courage, it gives the willingness, to do it. So thank you so much for being such a big blessing in my life and our life. Happy birthday. God and Guruji are definitely blessing you. There's no doubt about it. So have a great day, a great week, a great life, great year, great life, and keep blessing us. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Manojji. Wish you once again a very, very happy birthday. The best quality which we like about you is I have like list of it. But in the recent past months, which I'm observing you is now you're very stable, and very affectionately you have taken care of our whole team. Always there whenever we want you. And super amazing quality which I would like to imbibe in you is how you take everybody along with you, no matter what he is doing, giving everyone a chance and opportunity to grow in everything. So thank you once again for being in our life. Thank you. Love you.
Many happy returns of the day, Manojji. God bless you. Guruji is blessing us. What I really love about you is your surrenderfulness to Guruji. बोलते ना कि हर कण कण में आपकी सांसों में गुरुजी बैठे. In all to see this, such a beautiful quality. What I really love about you is 20 years ago when I had entered RSVK, you made me feel so special. The feeling made me feel so loved. Your kindness, which made me feel so special. What I really, really love about you is your never giving up attitude. No matter how many years it has been, but the same conviction, same passion, same love, same kindness, same enthusiasm. You say the same thing repeatedly on and on. Salute you for that. What I really love about you is making people feel so special in life. Accepting people as they are, fresh, every time seeing them new. This is my learning in my life. I also want to imbibe this in my life, accepting people as they are. Love you, Manoji, for making us feel so special. Thank you for always being generous, sharing gifts, giving us gifts yearly basis and whenever we ask for. That's really kind of you. Thank you for always being yes person. Whenever we ask, especially whenever I ask, it's always a yes, and yes. Thank you so much. Thank you for being in my life. Truly blessed to have you and be in your aura. And I always seek your blessings. Guruji is blessing us, Manoji. Once again, many happy returns of the day. Love you, Manoji. Love you. Have a wonderful life.
Hello, Manju. Many happy returns of the day, Manju. Though I am not with you physically, I remember you every day, every night. Because after getting up, I remember you. I do some sadhana, and at the night also I wish God that everyone should be happy. So I remember you every day, and I am very grateful to you that you have taught me so many good things which are imbibed in me. I am very thankful to you, and I wish you very happy, healthy and prosperous life ahead. And I wish you all the best in all your endeavors. Thank you. Jai Gurudev.
जय गुरुदेव। मैं बहुत ही भाग्यशाली हूँ कि मुझे गुरुजी के रूप में, मेंटर के रूप में मनोज जी मिले। मनोज जी हमको जीवन कैसे जीना है बहुत ही सरल तरीके से समझाते हैं। मनोज जी का जो डेडिकेशन है, मनोज जी जो दुनिया के भले के लिए कर रहे हैं, मनोज जी का जो विजन है कि इस ज्ञान को जो दे रहे हैं हमें पूरे दुनिया तक फैलाना है। मनोज जी, मैं आपकी दीर्घायु के लिए, आपके अच्छे स्वास्थ्य के लिए ईश्वर से प्रार्थना करता हूँ। विशिंग यू हैप्पी बर्थडे मनोज जी। गॉड ब्लेस यू। आपका आशीर्वाद हम पर इसी तरह बना रहे, मेरी आपसे यही प्रार्थना है। थैंक यू।
Happy birthday, dear Manojji. So Manojji, there are so many qualities about you. To name a few, I love the love you have for Rajesh and me. There's definitely a very special bond that we share with you. And I really cherish that bond. Thank you for hand-holding us, guiding us, being there always for us, and guiding us in all the aspects of our life. Another thing I like about you is your pragmatic approach to the knowledge that you share. I like how logically, how beautifully, simply you explain such abstract concepts, and how something that's very difficult to understand, you make it so simple and easy. And I really see a lot of value in what you say, things like repeat the joy shops, and little things that you say, but definitely it really helps. If a person does not get the results, it's only because we are not practicing, because I have always seen that whatever you have said, and if I have followed that, I have definitely got the results. So thank you so much for simplifying knowledge for all of us, putting it in such simple ways that we are getting it like, it's like spoon feeding. We are getting it all on a platter. All the effort has been put by you. We are only enjoying the fruits of your tapasya. So thank you so much for that. And another thing that I really love about you is, every pore and every cell of your body overflows with just one line, and that is Vasudeva Kutumbakam. I've always seen you, being so passionate about helping others, seeing how you can bring joy and happiness and magic in everybody's life. And that definitely comes from your Guru Bhakti, how you practice every word of what Guruji has said. And I really am a big fan of your Guru Bhakti, and I would really want to imbibe that in my life. It's the most beautiful part about, the most beautiful part about you, your love for Guruji, and it's seen in your everything that you do. And may you be blessed by Guruji always. May all your visions be manifested. There are so many things about you, but I have to limit the size of the video, so I reserve that for the next birthday or for the next meeting. So yes, Manoj ji, thank you so much for being a part of our lives. We are really blessed and lucky to have you. Really fortunate to have you in our lives. May God bless you. May all your visions be manifested. Bye. Enjoy your.
Wish you a very happy birthday, Manjo. Love you a lot. Love your very special way of taking everyone along. The way you take care of everyone who is there around you. Your commitment to spread the knowledge and coming up with every time some new project, some new program, so that people can benefit. Coming up with many DYL series, then Children Day, DYL and whatnot. I am tremendously benefited from emoji, and I really very grateful for you for that you have come up with this emoji. I have benefited a lot from being with you at Ludhiana. It was my first chance, and you left me to be strong, and I'm really grateful for you for that. I love your childlike laughter. I love the way you do everything with lot of commitment. You walk your talk. So wish you a very happy birthday and a wonderful day, year and a life. May you keep taking everyone along with you and keep showering your love and blessings to all of us. Thank you so much for being a part of my life.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Manoj ji. Happy birthday to you. बार बार दिन ये आए, बार बार दिल ये गाए, तुम जियो हजारों साल, ये मेरी है आरज़ू. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, God bless you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Manoj ji.
Happy birthday, Manoj ji.
Happy birthday, Manoj ji.
Today I wish to congratulate an exceptional leader and my mentor. Working with you is an opportunity I will always be thankful for. When you took me under your wings, I could not foresee all the beautiful things life had a store for me. Thank you for caring and inspiring me like you do. You are the best mentor, guru, and I used to say you are my second father. So, mentor ever. Once again, happy birthday to you, Manoj ji. Thank you. Happy birthday, Manoj ji.
Wish you many happy returns of the day, Manoj ji. Love you so much. You mean the whole world to whole lot of us. I mean, probably thousands and thousands of us. Whenever you are around, the life is magical. And even when you are at a distance, your teachings and learnings help us stay in the magical world. So thank you for being part of our life. Thank you for giving us the guidance and the knowledge. In fact, love the whole Lekhi family, Neenama, Vedo, everyone. Thank you. Keep smiling and spreading the joy. The one thing, Manoj, I love about you is you are always neutral and loving and compassionate for everyone, no matter how much they contribute to RSVK, the Gurukul, or the anyone else. When you're listening to someone, you give a full compassionate ear and show the equal love, which is just as amazing. Learning at every moment from you, and we wish that your love and blessings are always around us throughout our life. Have a great day and a year ahead.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday dear मनोज जी. आप ऐसे ही हंसते रहो, मुस्कुराते रहो, लाइट बिखेरते रहो और बहुत 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 खुश रहो. Be the wanderer you are, be the sadhak you are, be the person who is happy for no reason and live life fully. Lots and lots and lots of blessing for you on your special day. Wish you a very happy birthday.
Manoj bhai, happy birthday to you. Thank you very much for being such a wonderful person in our life, and wanted to share any of the amazing qualities, but few of them is caring, loving, passionate, consistent, constant learner, and overall like you've been always a wonderful person who make a difference to everybody's life. Thank you very much for being into our life.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Manoj ji. Happy birthday to you. Wish you a very, very happy birthday, Manoj ji. From you, what I have learned is being patient, being calm, reducing my anger, at least 50% I will say. Yes, working on myself, on your guidance. What I love about you is your compassionate, your humbleness, the father figure which you belong to me. It's awesome feeling. The bond we share is just awesome, out of the world. After my father, I guess each and every decision you have helped me taking in my life, whether it's personal or professional, so always, but yes, in my personal life also you have always been a proper guide which really helps me take hard steps in my life, as you're aware, and I love you a lot. It's awesome, 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 and it's just a blessing to be with you, and the most important thing, to be a part of your life. Love you, love you, love you so much. Wish you a very, very happy birthday.
Happy birthday to you. Manoj ji, you are such an amazing personality. आपका इतना क्रिएटिविटी मैंने किसी में भी नहीं देखा आज तक. आपका जो समर्पण है, आपका जो नो बाउंड्री स्टेट है, आपका जो गुरुजी के लिए जो समर्पण है वो लाजवाब है. आपने इतना बड़ा जिम्मेदारी का, तरखड़क का, कम्युनिटी लिविंग का और गुरुकुल का लिया है. वो मीन्स बहुत ही रेयरली ऐसे कोई इतनी जिम्मेदारियाँ कोई इतने स्वाभाविकता से ले सकता है. इट्स रियली वंडरफुल. आप हर महीने में अलग अलग प्रोग्राम्स निकालते हैं. अभी तो हर रोज़ आप नए नए वीडियोस निकालते हैं, करते हैं, नए नए ट्रेनिंग्स करते हैं, अलग अलग स्कोप कैंप्स करते हैं. और मैं जो भी आज हूँ वो आपकी वजह से ही हूँ, आपके बदौलत हूँ. और हमेशा आपका मुझे सपोर्ट हर तरीके से रहा है. आपने इतना मेरे ऊपर विश्वास किया है कि आश्रम भी मैं चला पा रहा हूँ देहरी का, और एफर्टलेसली आपका, लेकिन सब जगह पे पूरा ध्यान रहता है और हमेशा सपोर्ट आपका रहता ही है. तो आप और पूरे आपकी फैमिली जो हमारे लिए एक बहुत ही वरदान है हमारी ज़िंदगी में. यू आर ऑल लाइक एंजल्स, नॉट ओनली टू मी बट लैक्स एंड लैक्स ऑफ पीपल. जो आपने DYL की जैसे एक नई सीरीज़ चालू की, हर रोज़ के हर रोज़ टीवीज़, DYL के टीवीज़ चालू किए. बाप रे, कितने क्या क्या प्रोग्राम्स आप करते हैं और चला रखते रहते हैं, और इतने लोगों के साथ 1-to-1 में आप टच में रहते हैं. रियली वेरी वेरी इंस्पायरिंग. और हर एक व्यक्ति को उसके पोटेंशियल को उभारने में आप मदद करते हैं. मेरी भी बहुत सारी पोटेंशियल्स आपकी वजह से ही तो बाहर आई हैं. आपकी छोटी छोटी टेक्निक्स जो आप देते हैं, जैसे लिया SMS हो, मैजिक ऑफ ग्रेटिट्यूड की हो, ये चेकिंग द पैटर्न्स हो, इतनी छोटी छोटी चीज़ें होती है, विजन बुक हो, जो बहुत ही काम की है, बहुत ही यूज़फुल है, प्रैक्टिकल है एंड इफ़ेक्टिव निश्चित रूप से है. तो because it's you're giving offering such a wonderful thing to everyone around. You've got very huge, unlimited love account with you. May God bless you with long, healthy, active, energetic life full of peace, happiness, harmony, enthusiasm. हमेशा आपके आशीर्वाद हम पर बने रहे. जय गुरुदेव. थैंक यू, थैंक यू, थैंक यू.
हैप्पी बर्थडे मनोज जी. आप बहुत अच्छे हो, सबकी केयर करते हो, आप काम हो, कूल हो, मेरे लिए आप गाइड हो. मैं आपका सदा ऋणी रहूँगा कि आपने मुझे यहाँ पे सर्विस देने का चांस दिया. थैंक यू, थैंक यू. आप मेरे लिए मेरे गुरु हो.
हैप्पी बर्थडे मनोज जी. आपका आने वाला जीवन सुख शांति समृद्धमय आरोग्यमय रहे, यही शुभकामना के साथ जन्मदिन की बहुत सारी शुभकामनाएं. मुझे आपका जो गुण जो सबसे इंस्पायर कर रहा है वो ये है कि आपके लाइफ में, आपके सर्कल में जो भी जुड़े हुए हैं आप उनके साथ हमेशा टच में रहते हैं. चाहे वो आपके टीम मेंबर हो, TAC, DYL, SSY, आप हर एक के टच में रहते हैं, उनको इंस्पायर करते हैं साथ में जुड़े रहने के लिए, और आप हर एक को उस हिसाब से मार्गदर्शन देते हैं जिस तरीके से सामने वाले को उसकी ज़रूरत है. और आपके साथ आपकी तरह आपने बहुत सारे ऐसे लोगों को भी तैयार किया है. वो गुण जो है वो मुझे बहुत ही इंस्पायर करता है. तो आप ऐसे ही हंसते रहिए, गुनगुनाते रहिए. हैप्पी बर्थडे.
Happy birthday, Manoj ji. Manoj ji, you are growing younger and younger every year and becoming more and more handsome. I love the way you laugh, the way you dance. You have an amazing bond with Neena Ma and Vedosi. Thank you very much for being there with us on our path of inner growth. Thank you for inspiring us. Because of you, we are in Gurukulam and enjoying this beautiful place and our beautiful journey. Thank you very much.
Happy birthday, Manoj ji. You are one of the great persons I have ever met, and you have a great bond with all of us and me also. And thank you for being in Gurukul and in my life. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Manoj ji. Happy birthday to you.
Wish you a very, 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 very happy birthday, Manoj ji. You are so special in so many people's lives and ours too. Thank you so much for everything that you continue to give us and you have given us for all these years. Forget about giving and taking, but just to be in your company, to be around you, to hear you you're so cute in your own ways, you're so fantastic in your own ways, and it's a privilege to have you touched our lives and we being a part of your lives. Thank you so much, Manoj ji, and I pray that always, always, always Guruji's blessings remains on you the way it has been over the last 30 odd years. Thank you so much.
Happy birthday once again, Manoj ji. Yes, you are the most amazing and wonderful, super awesome person I've ever met. So beautiful inside out, so loving, so much of caring, and you're just so very cute, as Rohit said, very, very cute, just like a child all the time. And whenever I'm around you, I get so much of energy and, it just refreshes me completely. So, and you just keep showering your love unconditionally. You keep teaching us, you keep forgiving us for everything. That is so wonderful, just like a parent. And love you so much. Don't know what all to keep telling about you. There are so many things. So just keep blessing us always like this. Keep showering your love on us. Love you very, 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 very much. Happy birthday once again.
Happy birthday once again, Manoj ji.
Happy birthday, Manojji. Wish you many, many, many happy returns of the day. Thank you so much for being a part of my life and changing it 360 degree. And it's a wonderful journey with you for the past 5 years. Yeah, you've completed 5 years together, and every day there's something new to learn, and every day. Though we all feel, though I personally feel that you are so different from others, but yet whenever I meet you, whenever I am with you, I always see that you're so grounded, and always see that you're someone like us, but yet when I see you, there's something that aspires me to be like you, and aspires me to be as committed as you are, as wonderful, as beautiful, as joyful, as blissful as you are. So thank you so much for being a part of my life. And yes, every moment is so wonderful being with you. Thank you. Love you. Mwah.
जय गुरुदेव. हैप्पी बर्थडे मनोज जी. हैप्पी संक्रांति एंड किंक्रांति. आपका एफर्ट्स, आपका रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी, आपका कंसिस्टेंसी और कमिटमेंट, ये हमको बहुत अच्छा लगता है. हमेशा सबको लेकर आगे बढ़ते रहते हैं. ऐसा ही आपका विजन रखिए. थैंक यू वेरी मच. आपके साथ रहने में बहुत मज़ा है. हम हमेशा एंजॉय किए हैं. थैंक यू वेरी मच. जय गुरुदेव.
हैप्पी बर्थडे. बहुत बहुत जन्मदिन की बहुत बहुत शुभकामनाएं मनोज जी. आप ऐसे ही खुश रहे और आपकी वजह से सारे लोगों को खुशियाँ मिलती रहे. आपकी हर मनोकामना पूरी हो जाए. जन्मदिन की बहुत बहुत शुभकामनाएं.
जय गुरुदेव. जय गुरुदेव.
Happy birthday, dear Manju. Happy birthday to you, to the most loving, caring, unusual, very spiritual minded and funny guy in the whole wide world. Love you, Manju. Have a blast for a change. Do things which you have not done in your longest of time, which is crazy and awesome. Okay, love you. Bye.
Hi Manjo, wish you a very, very, very happy birthday and a wonderful year and a very, very satisfying and fulfilled life. Our friendship and our love for each other cannot be even put into words. I think it's so wonderful always being with you, enjoying your simplicity, your commitment and devotion to the well-being of everyone around you and of the planet and of the whole world. I wish you the very, very best, that you may continue to inspire and lead millions and millions of people towards love, joy, truth, happiness and success in their lives. Apart from our spiritual connect, there's always just the bonding, the love, the laughter, and all of it. Just everything that I could want in a friend. You are that, and more than a friend, like a brother, a friend, a philosopher, guide. And so glad to have you in my life. Again, wish you a very, 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 very wonderful life. You understood, no? What do I mean?
जय गुरुदेव मनोज जी. उसको क्या हम ब्लेसिंग्स दे जो खुद ब्लेसिंग्स है. तो फिर भी आपके जन्मदिन की आपको ढेर सारी शुभकामनाएं. विशिंग यू अ वेरी हैप्पी बर्थडे. मैं एक ही बात कहूँगा, I love you so much because you are my first love. The moment I saw you SSY class, you are awesome. क्या कहूँ, मैं जो भी हूँ, जितना भी हूँ, जैसा भी हूँ, all because of you. You have given me so much. कितनी सारी ट्रेनिंग. You are the only person in my life who trusted me a lot. मुझे याद है गुरुजी ने मुझे कहा था इसको निकाल दो, ये लड़का कल से SSY का क्लास नहीं लेगा, और आपने मुझ पे वो भरोसा किया था कि he will become a good teacher and I become a fantastic soul because of you. मेरे पे आपकी कृपा सदा सदा रहे, मेरा हृदय में आपके लिए प्रेम सदा सदा रहे, ऐसे ही आपसे प्रार्थना। और वंस अगेन विशिंग यू अ वेरी हैप्पी बर्थडे एंड हैप्पी फैंटास्टिक लाइफ। आपके सारे संकल्प पूरे हो, समृद्ध रहे, स्वस्थ रहे, मस्त रहे। जय गुरुदेव। Tada.
Wish you a very, very happy birthday, Manju. The best thing I like about you and me, or about you being with you, is we can talk for hours, for days, for weeks, for nights. We can just talk and dive into those deep thinking thoughts and life. I love you. Have a wonderful day.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. हैप्पी बर्थडे डियरेस्ट मनोज जी, हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू। मनोज जी, आपको जन्मदिन की ढेर सारी शुभकामनाएं। मनोज जी, आप बहुत ही प्यारे हैं, बहुत ही आपका केयरिंग नेचर है, आप एकदम बहुत पोलाइटेड हैं, आप लेट गो कर देते हैं, मतलब कोई भी चीज़ होता है ऊपर नीचे हो जाता है हमसे तो आप उसको छोड़ देते हो, उसको पकड़ के नहीं रखते कि नहीं ये कर। और आप एकदम सीखने का मतलब कुछ भी सीखने का नया नया अपॉर्चुनिटी देते रहते हैं, ये कर ये कर ये कर। और आपके साथ में रहने पे बहुत ही अच्छा लगता है और कुछ नया नया सीखने को मिलता है। और आप ऐसे ही हमारे ऊपर बस आशीर्वाद आप अपना बनाए रखिए, बहुत ही प्यारे हो आप। तो जन्मदिन की आपको ढेर सारी शुभकामनाएं। हैप्पी बर्थडे मनोज जी।
Many, many happy returns of the day, Manoj ji. Happiest birthday to you. And I have always felt that I am destined to be with you. And that's why I keep on coming back to you again and again and again. And I feel so lucky to have you by my side and constantly guiding me, and this whole knowledge, this whole feeling. And I mean, I have always been in this aura, but now all the more because I'm so much in awareness, and I absolutely love your intent behind all your endeavors, and I'm beginning to get that, and that's where I operate from, and that's what keeps on giving me success all the time. And I always feel that so many closures, so many closings, it's not me. I think I just have this divine power, like you, like Guruji, like a god, who is just helping me throughout, who's just helping me to do a lot of things and close. And because the whole intention, the whole purpose behind the whole thing is something extraordinary, it's something great. So, and it's I really feel so blessed to be with you, and I feel so blessed that you are a part of my life, and I really want to wish you all the luck, and I'm always going to be with you for all your endeavors, whatever you do, and wishing you all the very best, all the good luck, and lots and lots and lots of love. And I love you so much. So have lots of fun. You really, really deserve it. Happy birthday once again.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday